We just arrived. Baguio. I got it on video. Oh my God. Barbecue. Barbecue nasa gitna. Pareho lagyan mo. Bakit yan? Wow. No camera. No. Thanks for the breakfast. Mother.
May picture na kami sa CPR. Nalagay ni Papa.
Baguio 2024.
Tatlo kami. Ay, look at Nani.
Commuting was actually the most difficult part of this vacation. If you don't have a car with you, there are actually two ways to explore the city. You can book a taxi or you can book a Grab. Both modes of transportation has the maximum capacity of 4 passengers only. Since we're 8 in the family during this trip, we have to book 2 services every time we have to move from one place to another. It's almost peak season during this time, last week of November and first week of December 2024. So there are a lot of tourists everywhere and you can just imagine the challenge of looking for a ride.
Sobrang dami.
Obviously, it was very crowded that day, but the kids really enjoyed the biking at Burnham Park. And to be honest, we enjoyed it too.
Okay, tamang photoshoot lang dito sa Camp John Hay. Inabot kami ng 5 minutes and 1 hour. Diba? Ma? Ano mo sasabi mo sa mga CR dito sa Baguio na lahat may bayad?
Okay lang. It's business.
Na umuwi, may picture na. Pang Baguio na.
Ay, may nagpabili ng bike.
Here at your station. Food for today. Basta yan. Hindi ko alam pangalan.
Pag naisip na.
Basta na, bago i-vlog. Berry Mama. Ayan, dito siya sa ano ng consent. Pinagstayan namin, may common area dito sa rooftop. May tables and chairs. Ayan, pwede mag-sightseeing lang. This is the view. For sure, maganda din dito sa gabi at sobrang lamig. Ayan, dahil pang bahay dun sa taas. Oh.
Papasok na ako, guys!
Happy birthday
to you! Happy birthday! Ka ba bukas?
Bili na lang kami ng strawberry kasi walang picking. Pero maganda naman itong mga strawberry dito, di ba? Magkano po ito?
300 din eh.
300. Ilang kilo yun?
Ito, magkano
More
to?
than half daw.
150. Sa vlog sabi nila, 150 yung piece.
Baka luma na yun.
300 din piece.
Baka, anong date ba yun?
I don't know.
Ayun.
150.
Baka akala niya 1 kilo yan.
Baka. Ako
Okay.
mama dalawa.
Dalawa.
So, bumili tayo na strawberry.
No.
Ayun, share kayo. Oh.
Ang tamis.
Ah, tingnan mo.
Ang sarap. Ang tamis. Grabe.
Ba?
At least fresh tong binili natin. Newly,
Newly picked.
newly picked to.
We were trying the strawberries. Mmm. Okay.
Oo nga.
Mm.
Hindi siya masyadong ano.
Hindi siya maasim.
Tamis.
Pero hindi rin naman siya ganun matamis. Matamis ba?
Matamis yung sa akin.
Takto lang.
Yung sa'yo hindi.
Pero
Mali ka na
super
nakuha.
fresh naman. Baka nga mali ako nila. Pero good. Not so
Yeah, sarap.
maasim. I like it. Ayan na. May laman na yung basket niya. Pero hindi natin alam kung saan galing yung laman ng basket niya.
Yan,
Try
ma'am.
ang strawberry taho.
Thank you po.
50 pesos. Wala. Bye, bibili pa sila ng some other things. Okay. Of course. Tupi. Current situation. Ang daming tao.
Basa din.
Agawan, guys. We didn't anticipate that it would be so difficult for us to look for a ride back home on our last day. So, remember to book your tickets in advance. 6 hours pala. Uwi na kami. Pero parang aabot ng 7 hours. Te.
Aga pa.
From Baguio to BGC real quick. First, we have to just try this again. First meal of the day. 2:30 na.
Up.
Sarap.
Nilagyan mo sauce.
Konti lang.
Is our unit. Loft type siya. We're staying here for 1 night. Ano naman tawag dyan? Tingnan natin yung taas. Yung bed nasa taas. Okay, magpapagod ka muna bago ka... Ay! Hindi naman. Tsaka yung CR nandito din.
Hindi siya
Oh, okay. Ito siya. What's your view? Ano siya? Anong tawag niya? Anong tawag niya? Yay! That's our view! Nice! Uy! Super sulit to ha. Kasi itong pinakamurang room na nakita ko doon sa booking.com. Oo nga na may closet pa. Wala mo kami dalang gamit. It's malaki. Hello, that's me. Yan. Okay naman siya. Alright, that's the room tour. This is our view tonight. Isang purpose talaga ng pagpunta namin dito ay bumili ng mga dress para sa akin, syempre. At saka magpahinga, mag-relax din. Si Nico, naghahanap siya ng slip-ons. Matagal na and sapatos, pero ewan ko hindi pa rin siya nakakakita. Sobrang tagal niya talaga maghanap. Nakailang balik na kami dito, di pa rin siya nakabili ng kahit ano. Tingnan natin kung magbibili siya ngayon.
What?
5:30 na. Tingnan natin kung Masarap na maglakad. And thank God hindi umuulan because according to the weather forecast, medyo may 60-30% chance of raining today. Pero tignan natin kung uulan. Sana hindi. So far, hindi naman umuulan. So let's go! No, let's go now!
Snack before shopping again. Hello. Inay. Ano?
Punta kaming SM Aura today. Gonna check out kung anong meron doon. And later on, tatry namin pumunta ng Rockwell. Talagang susulitin na natin lahat. Pupuntahan na natin lahat ng kailangan nating puntahan. Breakfast at Starbucks. We still had a few more days before we go back to work, so we decided to go on this trip to just relax and unwind. It was also our first time to see the Christmas displays in Rockwell. It was a calming scene and such a nice sight to see, just perfect for the season. Nahanap niya na? Kaso, anong price?
5 lang meron.
Scared.
Medyo.
Parang kasha. Pinilit.
Medyo masikip.
Patingin.
Masikip.
Sikip talaga. Thank you talaga. Ito yung hinahanap niya. 1906 ka.